We need to find the value of AB if 2 to the power A equals to 3 and 9 to the power B equals to 16. We know that 9 to the power B can be written as 3 squared to the power of B, because 9 is 3 to the power 2. Applying laws of exponents, the 2 and the B will multiply, which will give us 3 to the power 2B. We also know that 16 is basically 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is basically 2 to the power of 4, which means our equation can now be written as 3 to the power 2b is equals to 2 to the power 4. This is just that written in a simplest form. And we were told that 2 to the power A is equals to 3. So we have the two equations and we need to now link them. Let's see how they can relate. The next thing is we know that 3 is the same as 2 to the power A, which means where I see 3 here, I can replace with 2 to the power of A. So where there was 3, I'm going to put 2 to the power of A. And then we have 2b equals to 2 to the power 4. And then when we simplify that, applying laws of exponents, we're going to have 2 to the power 2ab is equals to 2 to the power 4. Now the bases can drop because they are common. Now we are left with 2ab equals to 4. And we need to divide both sides by 2. This 2 will cancel that. 2 goes twice into 4, which means AB will be 2. And that is our answer. They wanted the value of AB. The value of AB is indeed 2. So our option will be option A. Thank you very much, ladies and